to my channel. So today we're making fidget spinner. I've heard a lot about fidget spinner nowadays, so I tried in making. So let's learn it. Materials for this project are as follows.
So friends, we have a cardboard, and now let's start making our fidget spinner. So for the shape, I am making the three-sided one. So for the alignment, I'll be using these paint caps like this. Yes, our alignment is finished, so let's take out these extra ones. So this will be our fidget spinner shape. So let's take a marker and start outlining the shape. So friends, we have a shape ready. So let's take the scissor and let's cut this out. So friends, we have our fidget spinner over here. So let's take our X-Acto knife and let's just make a hole at the center of this our fidget spinner. So friends, we made a hole. So let's take a toothpick. Let's insert it like this. In these two circles, I have made a hole which will pass through this toothpick. So let's do it like this and over here like this. So now let's cut the extra toothpick like this. So friends, our fidget spinner is done. So to look at more fancy, let's stick these circles onto the three sides. So for sticking, I'm using super glue. So let's stick it. You can use Fevicol. I'm using super glue because it dries faster. So let's keep it for drying. So friends, it's dried. So let's paint it. So friends, our fidget spinner is done.
So guys, if you want more content like this, like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below which DIY you want next. That's all for today. We'll meet in my next video. Bye guys.